We'll guide you through how to animate a circle in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn basic animation skills in Adobe After Effects. Creating a simple circle animation helps beginners understand how keyframes, scale, and position work. This tutorial provides clear steps that make it easier for users to practice and build a foundation in motion graphics. It also helps users understand how to control timing in animation. Many beginners use this as their first simple project. It allows users to explore basic tools in the software. It is useful for improving their editing and animation skills. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer. After the application launches, create a new composition by selecting the option to make a new project composition. Once the composition window is ready, select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar at the top of the screen. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and draw a circle in the composition panel to keep the shape perfectly round. After creating the circle, adjust the fill and stroke settings if needed by choosing your preferred colors and stroke size. Next, select the circle layer in the timeline panel to make sure you are working on the correct object. Press S on your keyboard to open the scale property of the selected layer. Enable keyframes for scale by clicking the stopwatch icon next to the scale option. Move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the animation to change. After moving the playhead, change the scale value to create a scaling animation effect. If you also want to adjust the position of the circle, press P on your keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes for position by clicking the stopwatch icon next to the position option. Move the playhead if needed and adjust the position values to create movement in your animation. Continue adjusting the position as required to match your desired animation. After setting both scale and position keyframes, preview the animation by playing the timeline to see how the circle moves and changes size. Once you are satisfied with the animation, save your project by selecting the Save option in the application. After saving, review the result again to ensure everything looks correct. Your circle animation is ready.